How to save TikTok draft video without saving it. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am on my profile on my TikTok. So as you can see, I already have one draft, but I will go ahead and create a new one right now. So I will click on this plus icon from the bottom of the page, and then I will record something really quickly. Then click this check mark, click next. So to save this as a draft, you have to click on draft, and now we have two videos as drafts. So if you want to save one of these videos, you can go ahead and click on that, and then go to who can watch this video. So click on that and set this to only me. And you can also have to click on save to device. So from here, click post. Now one private video is uploaded, so don't worry, nobody will see your video. This is private, and if you want to find that video, you have to click on this lock right here, and here you will find your video. And if you want to save this, click on those three dots and then click on save video. Okay, so now our video is saved. Let's go to gallery, and here, as you can see, we have our video saved. You have to wait a little bit to load, and then we have our video, which was saved automatically by TikTok when we created our TikTok. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.